Hello guys, welcome back to today's lesson. So, the long time no see, I hope you all are doing well today. So, I had a lot on my plate last week, that's why I couldn't post any videos here. Wait a second. Did you notice that expression? I had a lot on my plate? What does that mean? Okay, does it mean I had a plate full of rice and curry? No. Okay, today I will teach you. It is an idiomatic expression. Okay, today I'm gonna teach you what have a lot on your plate means, how to use it naturally, and how to make your own sentences like a native English speaker. So let's get it started. Okay, have a lot on your plate means to be very busy or to have many things to do. සිංහලෙන් කතා කරොත් අර වැඩ ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. නැත්නම් ගොඩක් වගකීම් තියෙන බවක් නැත්නම් එකවරක් කරන්න වැඩ ගොඩක් තියෙනවා කියන එක තමයි මේකේ අදහස් වෙන්නේ. It's very easy to use. In here we are using subject. Okay, have has or had a lot on. Okay, someone's plate. For example, අට කියන්න ඕනේ ඔයා busy කියලා නම් මම කියද්දි we use I. Okay, I have a lot on my plate. She has a lot on her plate. He has a lot on his plate. අපි කියලා කිව්වොත් we have a lot on our plate. They had a lot on their plate. මෙතන had කියන එක use කරන past tense එක ගැන කතා කරද්දී. Okay. So, we can jump to the first example. The first one. මේ සතියේ මට ගණන පන්ති ගොඩක් තියෙන නිසා මම වැඩ ගොඩක් තියෙනවා කියලා කියන්න ඕනේ. කියන්නේ මේ දවස්වල classes ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. classත් එක්ක busy කියන එක අදහස් කරන්න ඕනේ. So you can say I have a lot on my plate this week because I have many classes to teach. The second one. She has a lot on her plate because she's preparing for her exam. අර ඇයට විභාග ලෑස්ති වෙන්න තියෙන වැඩ ගොඩක් තියෙනවා කියලා තමයි එකෙන් අදහස් කරන්නේ. Yeah. Let's move to the third one. He has a lot on his plate at work these days. මේ දවස්වල රැකියා වැඩ ගොඩක් තියෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ he has a lot on his plate at work these days. The fourth one, we have a lot on our plate before the event. උත්සවයට කලින් event එකට කලින් අපිට කරන්න වැඩ ගොඩක් තියෙනවානේ. We have a lot on our plate before the event. And the last one, they had a lot on their plate last month, so they couldn't travel. And here we're talking about the past, no? Last month. Okay, අපි අතීතය ගැන කතා කරනකොට have එක had වෙනවා. ඒකට they had වෙන්න ඕනේ. පසුගිය මාසේ යනකොට වැඩ ගොඩක් තිබුණා. තියෙනවනේ කියන්නේ තිබුණා. නිසා ගමනක්වත් යන්න බැරි වුණා කියලා තමයි අහලා කියන්නේ. So instead of saying I'm very busy, you can sound more natural and you can say I have a lot on my plate. Okay, the native speakers use these expressions all the time. Now it's your turn. Okay, write one sentence using have a lot on your plate in the comments below and I'll take it for you. Okay, so thanks for listening. Bye for now. See you later. Have a great day. See you in the next video.